Hey citizens, welcome back to Life with Sid. Welcome back to another Louis Vuitton Triple unboxing, guys. Yes, another Louis Vuitton Triple unboxing. Guys, so you already know how the Louis be calling us, right? It be calling us. So I can't resist it. I can't resist it when my SA call up and say, "Are you still looking for? Were you still thinking about?" And I'm just like, yes, I am. So if you're new here and you like videos like this, like unboxing videos, lifestyle vlogs, fashion hauls, girl, you better hit the subscribe button and become a citizen. Hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Yes. So without further ado, let's get into this Louis Vuitton Triple unboxing. So these items, guys, these items are hard to find items. You can look online. They're always sold out. Or unless you're close to a Louis Vuitton location, which I'm not. The closest Louis Vuitton location to me is maybe an hour drive. So, and when you get there, if you don't have an appointment, it's always a wait. So I found the new essay, guys. Y'all already know. I have a couple essays, but lately my essay in Miami at the Aventura Mall in Bloomingdales been looking your girl out. Yes. So I'm just gonna unbox these items and we can chit chat about it or whatever. All right, so the first item, and these are not really big purchases, but like I was saying, these are hard to get items. And once I unbox them, you're gonna be like, "Said you right," because you're gonna go on a website and it's not gonna be there. So let's just get into this unboxing. Okay, so the first one comes in this tiny little package. I already took the label off. And, you know, Louis Vuitton, whether it come from like direct online or out of a boutique, they always try to send your stuff a little discreet. So let's just get right into this one. And I did not make all these purchases on the same day. They just happen to come up. Oh, and he sent me some little samples. I love it. You know what? These are my first Louis Vuitton samples. Wow, I love them. Some perfumes samples. I will be sampling these out later. But give me 3 different samples. I'm going to show you on the camera. Here they are. 3 different perfume samples. And I think he might be on Instagram. So I'm going to reach out to him. And if he's on Instagram, I will definitely link his information below. And here it is. Cute little box. Oh, wait a minute. There's another sample. And then here's the receipt. And it's from the Bloomingdales at the Aventura Mall inside of Bloomingdales. Thank you, Nesta. Super cute. Thumbnail. So here's the first one. Take the little bow off. And comes with a little dust bag. I'm pretty sure you already know what this is. This is super cute. This is another card holder, guys. I have a thing for the card holders, but I'm not going to keep this one for myself. I'm actually going to give this to my husband. And I love it because it has the black leather. For our wedding anniversary, I actually bought him the backpack. And it's the monogram with the black leather. And I just thought this would be cool for him. Very, very nice. This is so hard to come by. So this is a back pocket here. And then you have 3 card slots here. You have 3 slots over here. And then 2 inside pockets. Very, very nice. But like I said, this is always, always sold out on the website. And when you go in the stores, it's always sold out as well. But like I said, my SA in Miami got me this, and I love it. The leather is so soft, and I'm pretty sure Babe is going to love it. So this is for Babe. Cute little card holder. Gotta spread the love. And this one is directly from the Louis Vuitton store. When I was in Miami, girls trip, for Mother's Day, we tried to get this item and it was not available. So we just found it and ordered online. So, you know that little tear, and you just open it up and it says Louis Vuitton. Nice and pretty. Open it up. And comes with the receipt. Yes, all the receipts are in here. And then it comes with the bow. Y'all remember Christmas time? They were not wrapping our boxes. Now they're wrapping them and attaching a little card if you want to write inside the card and everything. Super cute. Love it. So let's just get it open, guys. I know you're wondering what it is. Can you guess? Look at the size of the box. Take a guess. Leave a comment below. And let me see if you can guess what it is. Just guess. And it was not on my wish list. It was not on my wish list. But try to guess. Can you guess? All right, let's get it open. I know you're waiting. I'm not going to hold you up. Can you guess what's in here? Let me show you. It is, can you guess? Can you guess? It is a Louis passport cover. So the passport cover is a very great piece. What I really like about the passport cover is it has slots where you can put your cards in here. So like if you're traveling and you don't want to carry a big bag, this can fit right inside a crossbody bag. And then you can carry your driver's license, a few debit cards, or your credit cards. You can put business cards over here, notes, receipts, and with the passport, it still will have room because the passport it's a little loose once you put it in there. And then you can slip stuff behind there as well, or you can use it just for like a little wallet. So that is super cute. And it has 4 slots and then 1 pocket here. You can put a card in there or whatever you want. Super cute, right, guys? Passport cover. So like I said, this is very limited as well. And I think my SA was telling me he think this might be discontinued. So if you've been thinking about getting a passport cover, reach out to your SAs, guys, and get one. Don't quote me. Don't quote me. I'm not 100% sure. But he was saying they were so limited, he wasn't sure if they're going to be discontinuing it. I don't know, but don't quote me. Like I said, this is what he said. So yeah, so if you're thinking about it, this is definitely a great piece if you don't want to jump into a big purchase of a wallet. I think the passport cover is great if you like to travel and you just want to be extra fancy when you're whipping out that passport. Yes, rich auntie vibes. Yes, whip out that passport. Yes, get them stamps, honey. All right, so let me stop playing and get to the next unboxing. So guys, this box is super huge. I don't know why. Maybe this is what they was working with. I don't know. But this is another item that came from my essay at Bloomingdales at the Avatar Mall. Like I said, I will link his Instagram below if he has one. I'm not 100% sure. I never even asked him, but I will reach out to him before I upload this video. And if so, then I will link it below. So this item, I think this was on my wish list. I'm not even 100% sure. I think it is. I will link it right here. So if you haven't seen that, girl, go check it out after you finish watching this video. This item is super hard to come by, okay? Every time I went on the website, I can go on there 1 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning. It still says come back. It doesn't even tell you like, oh, it's available in such store in New York, Los Angeles. It doesn't give you no info, honey. It tells you to check back later. You already know that check back later. But he got it for me. So I'm so thankful. And it is a very hot item. A lot of people is buying this item right now, guys. I'm pretty sure y'all know what it is. If you don't, try to guess. Now, I love playing the guessing game. So let's get it open. I get so excited when I'm opening Louis Vuitton. Let's just get it open. Here's the box. Here's my thumbnail. Alright guys, let's get her open. I should have wrote a little cute note for myself. I seen these little cards. They don't have like Louis Vuitton stamps on them. I thought that would be cute, like if they had like a little stamp on them. They don't have that. Alright, let's get it open, guys. I told you this box is huge. The item is not that big. Here's my receipt. And guys, I love shopping at places where you get points. So with my Bloomingdales, I get points. So on Mother's Day, they had triple points, ladies. So this item was $580. And with my points that I accumulated on Mother's Day, I got $100 Bloomingdale's reward points. So I got to add my points to my purchase. Yes, I did. And I got $100 off. So my total for this item was $518.43. Now remember, this retails for $580 plus tax, which will bring it to $618.43. So I have New Jersey taxes, which is like 6.6. And then if you use your rewards, I got $100 off, which bring it back down to $518.43. I'll take it. So that's another reason why I love shopping at like a department store, because I get to use my points and then cash it in on these luxury items. So I just wanted to share that with y'all just in case y'all don't know. $100 is $100, honey. Alright, so let's just get it open. Here it is. Can you guess? Now, this is one y'all want to guess. Guess. Leave a comment. Alright, here it is, guys. I'm pretty sure you already know what it is from the shape. It is the tea T26, guys. Yes, I finally got my hands on a T26 fashion doll. I finally got a T26. Y'all, I've been telling my girl Fashion Doll, she has a channel. I will link her down below. She had her T26 for a couple months now. Who else got T26? A couple of my girls. I will link their channels below. But I've been trying to get this T26, y'all, for months. And I finally got my hands on one. Look how cute this is. And this is like trending all over the place. That's why they're so hard to get. Because now they have a organizer that comes with like little D-rings. I actually ordered mine. It'll be here on Sunday. And you can put it in here. Put your organizer in here. And then if you want, you can put a strap on here and wear it as a crossbody. Years ago, I used to always be like, I don't think it looks cute as a crossbody or a clutch, because I said I will never wear that as a clutch, because I'm like, it's a toiletry. It's a toiletry. But I've been seeing so many people rock this as a crossbody, as a clutch, and girl, it's cute. Yes, it is. It's very cute. And I'm just so happy that I got one finally. Finally, guys, I got one. I'm so happy. I can't wait to get my organizer. I ordered it from Amazon. I will link that below just in case you guys are wondering where to get one from. You can get the one from Samoga if you want, but I actually got mine from Amazon. I will link that below, and it'll be here on Sunday. And I'm going to order next week. I think I'm going to order a Louis Vuitton bandolier. Yes, I think I'm going to order me one of those. I did order a gold chain as well because they look so cute. I'm going to pop a picture right here with a gold chain on it as well. And I ordered that from Amazon, and I just cannot wait. And I will be taking some pictures, and I will be posting them on my community tab or my Instagram. So if y'all not following me there, make sure you're following me there at Mrs. White _93. Yes, follow me there, and so you can see when I post once I get all my accessories. Or like I said, on my community tab, if you haven't been on my community tab yet, you can click on that and go and like some of my pictures, girl. Yes, so here it is, the T26, honey. Very hard to come by item, very, but I'm so happy and grateful that I have one in my possession now, and it's all mine. Okay, guys, that is it for this Louis Vuitton Triple unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you're new here and you haven't hit that subscribe button yet and you watched this whole video, I don't know what you're waiting for. Don't miss out on my content, ladies and gentlemen. So hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Until next time, sis signing off. Peace. I am so happy. I'm so happy. I'm gonna keep my day job. My hands are way too close to the camera. Whoa.